What is your last topic in mental ability?
Average.
Yes.
So average.
So we'll continue the same. So there are two types of concepts in average. One is, tell me, mean or middle, and the other is equality or equal distribution. Okay, so when we have to use first concept, tell me when we can use the first concept. You have to respond anything, okay?
When the difference between a numbers are equal.
Yeah, when a set of numbers are given and whose difference is same, whose difference is constant between every two consecutive terms. If the difference is same, then we can say the middle number or mean of the numbers is the average. Okay. If there are two numbers, our average will be exactly in the middle of those two numbers. If there are three numbers, directly second number is the average. If there are four numbers, our average will be between second and third number. If there are five numbers, directly third number will be the average. Okay. To get this one, we took one more equation, one more formula type. What is that? Another equation or another formula? Average of numbers having equal difference. To get the middle number or to get the average, we can do first number plus last number by 2 also. Sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, today we will see the second concept, that is equality concept. I think we started this one also. In the last class only, we started equality concept also. What we discussed? What we have discussed in the last class about equality? I'm asking you only. I think all of you are sleeping.
Excuse me, sir. That I've left early. I left the class early, sir. So once can you just explain this concept like from starting?
Okay.
Distribution.
Okay. Equal distribution. We are going to see equal distribution. Okay, there are 5 friends, A, B, C, D, and E. There are 5 friends, and we have collected money from all of them, and all together we got some 100 rupees. All together we got 100 rupees. Now we start doing distribution equally among these 5 people only. So now tell me, each person will get how much amount?
20.
Yes, 20 rupees. Each person will get 20, 20, 20, 20, and 20 rupees. Okay. And just tell me, before collecting money from all the people, are all the people are having the equal amount 20 rupees initially? Is it mandatory to have all the people, each person 20 rupees
Also,
initially?
No.
No. Some people may have less than 20 rupees. Some people may have more than 20 rupees. Some people may have exactly 20 rupees also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ayesha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Ayesh Mishra,
Yes, sir.
Mohit,
Yes, sir.
Mo- okay, Patak, Patak,
Yes, yes, sir.
Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
Bhunesh,
Sir. Yes, sir.
Sharanya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then why are you not responding? Only one girl is responding. Okay, if every person is giving answer to me, then it will be comfortable and it will be satisfactory for me. If nobody is speaking, then I don't know to whom I am telling the lesson. Okay, try to respond. Not all the persons at a time, but any person can respond anytime. You may have doubt or you may have answer or you may have anything, you can respond. Done.
Yes.
Okay. So 5 persons have altogether they have 100 rupees and we distributed that 100 rupees equally. Each person got 20 rupees and this 20 rupees is the average. This 20 rupees is the average of this group of persons. Okay, now I want to decide, I want to distribute 5 more rupees to each person. I want to distribute 5 rupees to each person. Now each person will have
25.
25, 25, 25, 25, and then 25. Now what is the group average?
So it's 25 only, sir.
25, very good. Previously
20.
20, but now it is 25. So means here we can conclude one thing. If each number is increased by 5, then average will be increased by the same number, 5. Yes or no? Now I want to decide to divide every person's amount by 5. Every person's amount by 5. Now each person amount will become 25 by 5. 5, 5, 5, 5. Then what we can take here? What can be our conclusion? Tell me. If each number is divided by 5, then the average will be divided by the
5.
same number 5. Yeah. Now what is the new average here?
5.
5. Previously
25.
25, sir.
25. Okay. Now I want to decide double their amount. Now I want to decide double their amount. So the each person amount becomes 5 double is 10, 10, 10, 10, and then 10. Now tell me the new average is? New average is
10, sir.
10. Previously
5.
5. What can be our conclusion here? What we can conclude? If each number is multiplied by 2, then the average will be multiplied by the same number. Yes or no? Now I want to take off 2 rupees from each person. I want to take 2 rupees. I want to collect 2 rupees from each person. So then this person's amount will be
8 rupees.
8
8
rupees
rupees.
and 8 rupees at each person. The amount will be, so then the new average is
8,
8 or previously
10.
10. So conclusion,
So we have to subtract 10 rupees from the whole.
no. What is our conclusion here? if each number is subtracted by 2. Yes or no? If each
Average
number
is
is
also
subtracted by
subtracted by
2.
2.
Yes, average
Average
also subtracted by 2. So up to this part we completed, and we'll continue the same. I think we have done questions based on these 4 things, right? And now the actual story begins. See, there are 5 friends, A, B, C, D. Suppose there are 4 friends, and altogether they have 100 rupees, and we are going to distribute this 100 rupees among these 4 people. Each person will get
25, sir.
25 rupees each. Now, what is their average?
25.
25.
25 rupees. So this is your friends group, including you. This is your friends group. Now, can you give me permission to join your group? Can I
Yes, sir.
join your group?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then if I want to join your group, if I join your group, is there any disturbance in your, will there be any disturbance in your average amount? Suppose think of all are 25 rupees, 25 rupees.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, compulsory, there will be some disturbance. So will it increase or decrease, or it will remain same?
Will
Decrease.
decrease, sir.
Decrease.
How can you say that? It depends on my amount, right? Suppose if I enter this group, suppose if I am entering this group with 0 amount, with empty hands, then what will be your average? What will
0.
become your average? No,
0.
no.
20, sir.
I think all of you will give some amount to me. Will share amount some
Sir,
some
20.
amount for me.
20.
Yeah. Okay. I don't need the exact number. 20 is the right answer here. It is okay. And I don't need exact answer. I just need whether it will increase or decrease, or it will remain same.
It will decrease.
It will decrease because I am entering this room. I am entering this group with empty hands, means you will share amount, or you will give some part of your amount to make me equal to you. Every time you have to think, we have to distribute the amount equally among all the people. Okay, right. Suppose if I enter with 25 rupees, then what is going to happen to your average now?
Sir, it will remain.
What will be the new average? If I enter this room with 25 rupees, what will be the new average?
It will increase.
Sorry?
Because it will remain
It
this.
will remain same, sir.
Yeah, it will remain same. There will be no difference. Because 25 rupees is an entry pass. Yes or no? I am also bringing that 25 rupees, means then there will be no disturbance in your amount, because all of us are having same amount, equal amount. Suppose if I enter with 20, suppose if I enter with 30 rupees, then what will be your average? Will it increase or decrease, or it will remain same?
Sir, it will increase.
It will increase. Yes, very good. So can you tell the number here? As you have 25 rupees, I am also bringing that 25 rupees, such that there will be no difference in the average. Okay, but I don't have 25 rupees, I have 30 rupees. How much amount extra I have now?
5 rupees.
5 rupees. Now I can distribute this 5 rupees to all these 4 people along with me. So now each one will get how much amount extra?
26.
1 rupee extra, sir.
So 1 rupee extra, the new average becomes
26.
26 is the new average. This is the concept. So the new person joins the group. New person joins the group. Okay. So what is the, in our example, what is the entry pass here? How much is the entry pass?
25.
25. Whoever want to join, they have to bring 25 rupees. That is our concept here. Whoever want to join this group, they have to bring 25 rupees. Otherwise, what will happen? Average will be disturbed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If anybody wants to join this group, they have to bring 25 rupees. Otherwise, average will be disturbed. Such that there will be no disturbance in the average, they have to bring 25 rupees. Okay, I'll ask one more question. Tell the answer. Only me, there is a permission for me, only me, or along with me, my friend is also allowed. Can I bring my friend also? Tell me,
Yes,
can
sir.
I bring my friend to this party, to this group?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how much amount we have to bring? Me, 25 rupees, and my friend also 25 rupees. Okay. So I have to bring 25 rupees and my friend has to bring 25 rupees. Okay. So compulsory, is it mandatory to bring each person 25 rupees or both persons together 50 rupees?
Each person 25 rupees.
Suppose my friend don't have any money, but I have 50 rupees. So will you allow for both of will you allow both of us?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem, because maybe he don't have any money, but I have 50 rupees means we together will have 50 rupees. You need that one only, equal distribution. So either the two people may have individual 25 rupees, or the two people can have 50 rupees together. So in this way, any number of persons can join. Any number of persons can join with an amount of 20 rupees each. With an amount of 20 rupees each. Got the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when the new person is joining this group, if the person bring less than 20 rupees, then the average will be increased or decreased or remain same?
Decrease.
Decreased.
Decrease, sir.
And if the person brings more than 20 rupees, then the average will be
Increase.
increased. If the person is bringing exactly, 20 or 25.
25, sir.
Here our number is 25, not 20. Less than 25, more than 25, equal to 25. Then average remains same. Okay. Next. Now the case is, among these four people, one person wants to go out. Among these four people, one person wants to go out. Then tell me, suppose this person D is going out. Then will there be any disturbance in our average?
Yes, sir.
Maybe, right? Maybe. Suppose if the person is going out with the 25 rupees, then what is going to happen for your average?
It's going to remain same, sir.
Yeah, it will remain same. Then there will be no difference. Person is taking his amount, then nobody's amount will be disturbed. Okay. Suppose if the person is going out with 30 rupees or 29 rupees, suppose 29, no, 28 rupees. Tell me. Then the average will be remain same, or it will increase, or it will decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease.
Yeah, before he is going out, he is collecting 1 rupee from each. A has given 1 rupee, B has given 1 rupee, C has given 1 rupee. So 3 rupees he collected and he has already 25 rupees, together 28 rupees. With the 28 rupees he is going out, it means the remaining person's average will be decreased. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose a person is going out with empty hands. Then what will become for your new average? What will be your new average? Whether it will increase or decrease, or it will remain same?
Increase, sir.
Yeah, it will increase because he is going out with an empty hand, means his amount is on his table only. Now again, we can take that amount and we can distribute among these three people. So along with the 25, we will be having now 25 by 3 extra. Yes or no? So new person joining the group. This one is join. And existing person. Leaving the group. Existing person leaving the group. And tell me if he is leaving with less than 25 rupees. Not only zero amount, he may exit less than 25 rupees. Suppose he is exiting with 22 rupees. Then what will be your new average?
26.
He is leaving 3 rupees there only, and he is living with 22 rupees. So the 3 rupees will be distributed among these 3 people ABC. So their amount will be increased by 1 rupee. So in that way, if he leaves less than 25 rupees, the average will be increased. If he leaves more than 25 rupees, means he is collecting from us. Okay, our average will be, the new average will be, tell me. Decreased. And if he is exiting with exactly 25 rupees, then there will be no change in the average. Average will remain the same. Okay. So just observe these two cases, and these two are quite opposite, right? When the new person is joining, less amount, the average increase, more amount, average decrease. But it is the reverse case. When the existing person leaving the group, less amount, our average will be increased, more amount, our average will be decreased. But in both cases, this third one is same, right? Whenever the person is joining or exiting the group with an equal amount of average, so then there will be no difference. Average will remain the same. All of you clear with this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Shall we do some questions based on this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. One second. Try to answer this question. What is your answer? Tell me.
Forty-one years.
41. Okay. Let us try. See here, simply every time, whatever the parameter is given, we can consider simply rupees. Okay. Initially, how many students are there?
20.
And each student has how much amount? 20 rupees. So average is given, means each person. Average is nothing but per head. For each person, for every person. It is 20 rupees. Okay. Now who is entering this group? Teacher is entering this group. Because of teacher's entry, what is happened in the average?
One is increase.
Who brought this amount? Who brought this 1 rupee to each person?
Teacher.
So along with the, so that as an entry pass, as an entry pass, she is bringing 20 rupees for herself. She or he is bringing 20 rupees for herself. Okay. And not only 20 rupees, she came and she brought 1 rupee to each person. For how many persons? Already 21 students are there. Now teacher is also entered. Now how many persons are there in the group? In that class? 21 rupees for each person, one chocolate or 1 rupee. Means total how many she has to bring extra?
21.
21. For herself 20 and for distribution purpose 21. So altogether there she is entering with 41 rupees into the classroom. That's all. That's the answer. Easy.
Yes, sir.
It will be easy only when you understand the concept clearly. Otherwise, you can think. And we can do this question in another way also. I'll show that method also. That is mathematical way. Okay. Tell me what is average? Average equal to sum of the numbers by number of numbers. What is the sum of the numbers? Number of numbers into average of numbers. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Including to teacher, how many students? How many persons in that classroom?
21.
What is the new average for those 21 persons? Previously 20. But
21.
the new average is again 21. So 21 persons average is 21. What is the sum of their ages? What is their sum? 21 into 21 is how much? 21 square, nothing but 441. Next, before entering the teacher, how many students are there?
20.
20 students. Each student got how much amount? What is their average?
20.
20 is a 400. So now it is the sum of 20 members and it is the sum of 21 members. So who is that one person extra?
Teacher.
So then can I say the difference amount will be the teacher's amount?
Yes, sir.
So now the teacher's amount is 441 minus 400 is 41. So this is the mathematical way. Maybe here numbers are somewhat comfortable, then it is okay. But the numbers are bigger or multiplication is taking time, means it will be a waste of time. This approach is a waste of time. So try to understand this concept instead of doing that. But it is of your comfortability. Whatever you want, you can do. Done? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see one more question. Okay, right. Try to solve this question. Tell me, it is a new person entering the group or old person exiting the group?
Old person exiting the group.
Yes. Who is leaving the group here?
The captain.
Captain. Tell the answer. First of all, tell your answer. What happened? Getting or not getting? Not getting? Don't do mathematically, okay? You can do it later if you want. All of you, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. Initially, how many persons are there?
11.
And each one is having how much amount?
24.
24 rupees. Okay, previously they have 24 rupees. Means to exit this group, captain also has to take his 24 rupees, such that there will be no disturbance in the average. But he said that the average is disturbed already. Average, what becomes to what is happened to average? Previously it was 24, now it is 26, means the average is increased by 26 rupees. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sorry, average is increased by 2 rupees. Right? Means now tell me, the captain is exiting with 24 rupees exactly, or less than 24 rupees, or more than 24 rupees? Tell, captain is exiting with exactly 24 rupees, or less than 24, or more than 24?
Less than 24.
Ah, very good. After exiting the captain, our amount is increased, means he is leaving some amount for us. Okay, he is leaving some amount for us. How much amount he is leaving? Means just tell me, the average amount is increasing, means the person is leaving with less than 24 rupees. Less than 24 rupees means do we have to subtract something, or we have to add something here? 24. We need to subtract. How much amount we have to subtract? After leaving the group, after captain leaving the group, how many persons are there in the group now?
10.
10 persons. For these 10 members, for each person he is giving how much amount?
2.
2 rupees. Means he is leaving 20 rupees here only. And he is exiting the group with how much amount?
4 rupees.
Just he is leaving the group with the 4 rupees. So that's the answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In a normal processor, sum of 11 numbers is 11 into 24, that is 264. After captain exiting the group, there are 10 players. Each person has 26 rupees. So sum of 10 numbers is 260. So this is the sum of 11 persons. This is the sum of 10 persons. Then who is that one different person? Difference person is the captain. Now we can get the captain amount by directly subtracting the two numbers. That is 4. Here also. So because the numbers are comfortable to do multiplication, that is okay. But if the numbers are not that much easy numbers or that much comfortable numbers, then it will be a problem. But this method is okay. Anytime this method we can apply. Right?
Yes, sir.
Next question. You have to answer this question compulsory. I'm expecting the answer. Tell me, new person joining or old person leaving?
All person leaving.
Okay, old person leaving means you have to think reverse. Reverse means average increase means person's amount. Average increase means the amount will be subtracted. Average decrease means amount should be added. Tell the answer.
Seven, sir.
Okay, we'll see that. See, previously we have how much amount each?
22.
Okay, suppose if captain also deleted, if the person captain is also deleted with 22 rupees, then there will be no difference in the average. Yes or no? Yes or no? Captain exits the group with 22 rupees, then there will be no difference in the average. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But he has given some disturbances there. Increased by 1.5 rupees. Now tell me that person is exiting the group with 22 rupees or less than 22 or more than 22.
More.
If he exit the group with more than 22 rupees means he is
Less.
taking our amount. Okay, but our amount is increasing. Our amount is increasing means he is leaving some amount for us. He is leaving with less than 22 rupees, keeping some amount for us. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now he is leaving the group with the less than 22 rupees. Less than means we can subtract something. How much amount we have to subtract, we'll see now. After the captain deletion, how many persons are there?
10.
10 persons. For each person, he is keeping how much amount?
1.5.
1.5 rupees to each person. So simple. 22 minus 10 into 1.5 is
15.
15. 22 minus 15 is 7. That's the answer. Very good. 7 is the right answer. Now tell the answer for this question. Average of 15 numbers is 22. And that of last 14 numbers is 22. Sorry. 15 numbers is 21. And that of last 14 numbers is 22. What is the first number? How can we consider this question? New person joins the group or old person leaving the group?
All person leaving the group.
Yeah, in a group of 15 members, one person is leaving. Who is that person? Can I say that is first person?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first number, nothing but first person. Simply here, number can be replaced by person. 15 persons have 21 rupees. When first person leaving the group, 14 persons will have 22 rupees now. Now tell the answer.
7.
Okay. Okay, we'll see. Initially, they have 21 rupees means if that first person is also leaving the group with the 21, then there will be no difference in the average. Okay. But here the average is varied. Average is changed. How much it is increased or decreased or remain same? Average increased or decreased or remain same? What he has given?
It decreased.
No, previously it is 21. Now it becomes 22. Decreased or increased? I'm asking about average. Okay.
Okay.
Average is increased means this person is leaving with
Less money.
less money. Less money means we have to subtract something. Okay, how much amount we have to subtract? We'll see now. Previously, there are 15 persons. When the first person left the group, how many persons will be there? 14 persons will be there. And for these 14 persons, how much amount is distributing for each person?
1.
1 rupee extra. 1 rupee. So 21 minus 14 will be 7. Done. Very good. Then tell the answer for this. It is exiting the group or joining the group. Comes under which model? Leaving or joining?
Leaving, sir.
Yes. In place of numbers, simply we can replace by persons. 21 persons have 15 rupees each. And the first 20 members have 14 rupees. And means that last person is leaving the group. And last person leaves the group with how much amount? That is the question here. Tell the answer.
25.
25. Okay. Previously we have how much amount? 15 rupees. And that last person leaves with 15 rupees, then there will be no disturbance in the average. Yes or no? But he is leaving the group with the 14.5 rupees only. Sorry, after he exiting the group, we have 14.5 amount. Previously we have 15 rupees, but now we have 14.5 rupees only. 14.5 nothing but 14.5 rupees. Then who took those? Who took that half rupee? Tell me.
Sir, to be honest, I joined a bit late, so I'm very confused, sir. I'm trying to understand, but I'm not able to understand it.
Okay. Okay, see. What can I tell? Okay, I think you can see the video. I'll upload it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, ma. Initially, how much amount they have? Remaining people, please respond. Initially, we have 15 rupees each.
15 rupees.
What is happened to our average? Increased or decreased or remain same?
Decreased.
Decreased. Our average is decreasing, means the exiting person or leaving person is going with more amount or less amount?
More amount.
More than 15 rupees. So means now we have to add something or subtract something.
So 21 into 15 minus 20 into 14.5.
That is the mathematical approach. Okay, that is the mathematical approach. I told you already, that is of your choice. You can do in that way or in this way. This will be better. Understanding the concept is better. Okay. Tell Bunesh. Now he is
Yes,
leaving
sir.
the group with more than 15 or less than 15 or equal to 15.
More than rupee.
Yeah, more than 15 rupees he is taking our money also. Okay, after he left the group, how many persons are there?
14.
14 persons. From these 14 persons, he is taking, sorry, 21, previously 21, now
20.
20. For these 20 rupees, from these 20 rupees, how much he is taking?
For
0.5
14.5.
rupees. 0.5 rupees from each.
Oh,
Okay, he is taking 0.5 rupees from each person. So initially he has 15, means he has to left with 15 rupees, but he is not left leaving with 15 rupees. He is taking more amount from the group. How much amount he is taking from the remaining 20 people? He is collecting 0.5 rupees each. Then he is living with this group. Tell me, 15 plus 20 into 0.5 is 10. 20 halves, nothing but 10. So now he is leaving the group with 25 rupees. Okay. And tell this answer. This question we can consider as, tell me, leaving the group or a new person joining group?
joining group.
Very good. Who is joining? That 11th person or 11th inning. Simply we can consider that 11th person or 11th inning is joining the group. What he is asking is, there are 10 persons, each person have 50 rupees. There are 10 persons, each person have 15 rupees. Now, 11th person has to bring how much amount?
Sir, 72 rupees. 72
So that he has to increase for each person 2 rupees. Okay. Then Shravani.
Yes, sir.
We are a group of 10 persons. Okay, we are a group of 10 persons here, and each person has 50 rupees. Okay, now you are entering this group. Now you are entering this group. Listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How much amount we have to bring such that there is no difference in the average?
50.
50 rupees. If you also bring 50 rupees, then there will be no difference in the average. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you are not bringing 50 rupees only. You are bringing 2 more rupees extra because of your entry. Total the average is increased by 2 rupees. Okay, so you are bringing for yourself. You are bringing 50 rupees, and you are bringing 2 more rupees for each person. How many persons? Already we are 10. Now you also entered this group. Total how many persons are there in the group?
There are 11 people.
11 persons. For each person you are bringing 2 rupees. Means how much amount you are bringing extra?
22.
Sir?
Shravani, how much amount you are bringing extra? For
Should
all of us, we have 11 people. For each person, you have to bring 2 rupees extra.
Yes, sir.
Means you have to bring 22
Yeah.
rupees extra.
Okay.
Along
Yes,
with
sir.
50 rupees for yourself.
Okay.
Okay. Totally, with how much amount you are entering this group?
72 rupees.
That's your answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I'm explaining again. See here carefully. Previously, we are 10 people and we have 50 rupees each. So now you are going to enter this group. So to enter this group, you also have to bring 50 rupees such that there will be no disturbance in the average. But in the question, he has already mentioned because of your entry, 2 runs increased, 2 rupees increased for each person. So then you have to bring that extra amount also. For yourself, you are bringing 50 rupees. And for all the people means we already have 10 and plus 1 means you. So total 11 persons are there. For each person, you have to bring 2 rupees. So altogether, you have to enter with 72 rupees. So this is the concept till now we are discussing.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next, we'll see the another concept. All of you see here carefully. This is either a new person joining group or old person exiting the group. So is there any replacement in this case?
Yes, sir.
No. Are we replacing any person with a new person?
No, sir.
No, either
Just
deletion
adding.
or addition. Either deletion or addition. Now we will see the replacement case. Now we'll see the replacement case. So there are 10 persons in this group. Each one is having 20 rupees or 25 rupees. Okay. Among these people, one person wants to go out. And the new person wants to enter this group. One person is going out and the new person is coming inside. Okay. So the amount, how much amount he is going out, suppose he is going out with the 20 rupees. Now the new person has to bring how much amount such that there will be no disturbance?
20.
20 rupees, because he has to balance that amount, 20 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Suppose he is going out with 200 rupees, then he has to bring
200 rupees.
200 rupees. Okay. Up to this part, it is clear how much amount the exiting person is taking out, and that much amount the new person has to bring. For what? For what purpose? Such that there is no disturbance in the average. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose the new person old person is going out with an amount of 20 rupees. The new person is going out with an amount of 20 rupees. And the new person joined this group. And because of that new person entry, the average increased by 1 rupee. Suppose if the average is increased by 1 rupee. So then can you tell me how much amount did the new person bring?
21 rupees.
Just 21.
25 rupees.
25 rupees only.
No, sir, 30 rupees. 30 rupees.
30 rupees. Okay. Anyone? Any more answers? Yeah, see here. So the new person has to balance, initially he has to balance the old person, right? So he is entering, he has to enter with 20 rupees, such that there is no disturbance in the average. Yes or no? All of you, please respond. Then
Yes,
only I
sir.
can understand you are understanding or not. Okay, because the old person is going out with 20 rupees, new person has to bring 20 rupees. Right. Then there will be no disturbance in the average. But I already mentioned the average is increased by 1 rupee. Means the new person is bringing more than 20 rupees or less than 20 rupees or exactly 20 rupees. Tell me,
More
the
than
new
20
person, yes, more than 20 rupees because of because he entered more than 20 rupees, then our average will be increased. He will distribute the remaining amount. Okay. After his exit and his entry, how many persons are there? Now,
It's the same, sir. It's 10.
initially there are 10. One person exit means 9. Again, one person join means again 10. So for these 10 persons, each person amount is increased by how much amount?
1.
1 rupee. So means for himself he is bringing 20 rupees. And for ourselves, for all of us, he is bringing another 10 rupees. Total, he is entering with how much amount?
30 rupees.
30 rupees. All of you understood this concept?
Yes.
If there is any confusion, then tell. If any confusion, tell. Because I am moving on to questions. Right, I think there is no confusion. Okay. Now tell the answer for this question. No,
Why?
not this one. This one. The average weight of 20 men increased by 1 kg when one of them, whose weight is 60 kg, is replaced by a new man. What is the weight of new man?
Sir, is it 80 kgs?
Maybe, we'll see. Remaining persons, is it 80 or any other answer?
80, sir.
80 only? Okay, right. Very good. 80 is the right answer. There is a group of 20 members. One person is leaving the group and one person is joining the group. The leaving person is taking 60 rupees along with him. So means the new person also has to bring 60 rupees. Then the average will remain same. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But he has mentioned already, average is increased by 1 kg. So means the new person is bringing more than 60 or less than 60?
More than 60.
More than 60. Okay. One person left the group and one person joined the group. How many persons will be there now?
20.
20 members. For these 20 members, for each person, he is bringing how much amount?
1.
1 rupees. So together, he is entering the group with 80 rupees or 80 kgs. Very good. Then answer this question. the average of 24 men is decreased by 2 rupees, 2 years, when one of them whose age is 60 years replaced by new man. What is the age of that new man? Yes, answer.
Sir, I'm getting 18.
18, but 18 is not there in the options. Maybe your option is none of these. We'll see that.
No, sir, 12. I did wrong calculation, sir, 12.
Okay. You got 8 in the end digit, 8 as the end digit. But in the
Sir, you
subtraction, it
got
will
to-
become 2, right?
Yes,
Sorry?
yes, 12.
Okay, we'll see. Initially, in this group, how many persons are there? 24. One person leaving the group, one person joining the group. So leaving person is taking 60 rupees along with him. And the new person has to bring 60 rupees to balance him. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then there will be no difference. But because of this transaction, our average is affected. It is affected. How much amount is it? Is increased or decreased?
Decrease.
Decreased by 2 rupees means the new person is bringing more than 60 or less than 60 or equal to 60. Equal to 60 we already discussed. If it is equal to 60, then there is no disturbance. But it is already disturbed means compulsory it is not exactly 60. Tell me more than 60 or less than 60?
More than 60?
No, if we bring more than 60, then the total persons will distribute the amount, the average will be increased. But see, our amount is also decreasing, means we have to share some amount of our amount we have to distribute for that person, new person.
Okay.
So means
Yes,
he's
sir.
entering this group with 60 or less than 60 or more than 60.
Less than
Less than 60 means we have to add something or subtract something.
we have to subtract.
Subtract something. How much amount we have to subtract? And after this transaction, how many persons are there in the group now?
Sir, 24.
24.
Sir,
Only one person left the group and one person joined the group. Again, the persons will be same. That is 24 only. And for each person, what is the change in the average?
2.
Each person, he took 2 rupees from each person. So means actually he is entering the group with the 60 minus 24 to 48. That is 12 rupees. So he entered 12 rupees and to make all the persons equally, he is collecting 2 rupees from each of the persons. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And that's all. That is the answer here. Next. Read this question and tell the answer. This will be the last question, or we'll see this question also in the next class. Okay? Because I think you have school. Okay, we'll see this question also in the next class. Meanwhile, you can try this. I'll send this PDF to you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you.